Hey, I'm Joe and you're watching on my channel a full tutorial on how to switch from regular to semi-permanent nail polish. First thing first, you need to remove your previous nail polish, the regular one, from your nails. And for this you need a cotton pad and some nail polish remover. When you're done removing the previous nail polish from your nails, you use a nail file and you clean the side part of your nails, right and left. There are cuticles here, and with the nail file you'll remove them. Next step is taking care of your cuticles, and for this, first you push them with this special instrument, and after you're done pushing them, you clean the surface of your nail with the sharp part, and you insist in the corner of your nails, as there is where the cuticles are. To continue with the cuticles, and of course to finish with them, next step is to cut them. But before you cut them, you place your hand in a bowl of warm water. This way they will get softened and it will be more easier for you to cut them. Moving further, next step is setting a shape for your nail. I have square shape now and I want to go with round shape. And for this, I'm gonna cut the corners of my nail. Then I will adjust it with the nail file. As my nails are clean and ready for the nail polish, which is also my favorite part, let's get started. First, I apply a primer. This way, the base coat will stick to my nail longer. I'm done with the primer, so I'll move to the base coat. I will apply 2 layers of it. After applying each layer, I will let it dry in the UV lamp. Base coat is on, so I'm moving to applying the color. I think of going crazy this time, so I'll apply 5 different colors of nail polish, starting from black and finishing with white. In the middle, I'll have powder pink, pink, and something in between pink and black. Let's see the result. Interesting, huh? I will apply 2 layers of colored nail polish, and after each applying, I'll let them dry in the UV lamp. Definitely something else, right? We are almost at the end. Next step is applying the top coat. You only apply 1 layer, then you let it dry. When applying the top coat, you seal this part of your nail with top coat. We are at the end of our tutorial about how to switch from regular to semi-permanent nail polish. And the last thing you need to do after you've cleaned your nails, you applied the primer, the base coat, the color and the top coat, is to degrease your nails. And you just use a degreaser and you are done. There are many useful videos on Joe's Nails Do-It-Yourself channel, so subscribe, turn on the notifications and spread the word about it. Love you, bye!